Yubang double station wax setting machine. Designed for jewelry wax setting. Replacing manual wax stone setting. 18,000 minus 20,000 stones or hour. Dual stations left and right. Stone setting and wax changing run simultaneously. No downtime, no delay. CNC system, 0.02 mm precision. Intelligent identification. Auto stone compensation. No missing stones. Electric driven setting. No damage to wax model or stones. 5-axis linkage. Supports flat, curved, and 3D surfaces. Covers 90% of wax setting needs. Multi-size and multi-color setting. No machine change required. Yubang self-developed control system. Easy to operate. Learn in 1-3 days. Wider working table. Stable, anti-vibration, one-person operation. Ideal for jewelry factories, accessory manufacturers, studios, and small workshops. Contact us for more details.